take 3 boiled eggs, 16 slices of bread, 1 grated capsicum about 50 grams, 1 grated carrot about 50 grams, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chilli flakes, 1/4 teaspoon oregano seasoning. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333, and let's begin with our today's recipe. Now let's start by mashing boiled eggs. Add capsicum, carrot, chilli flakes, oregano seasoning, salt, tomato ketchup, now mix and mash everything nicely. Now take a slice of bread and apply butter on it. Take a spoonful of egg mixture and gently spread it. Now place sliced cheese and another slice of bread and press it gently. And a healthy egg sandwich is ready to eat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!